We got stick bridge. Hold on.
Stick bridge.
Let's see how mommy does. Here, give me here.
Where are we now then?
Do you need help?
Where are we now?
You sure? Mommy's got it. Mommy's already starting out very poorly.
Can I see where we are now?
Oh, this is
Daddy?
gonna go bad.
Can I see where we are now, Daddy?
Oh, mommy made it. All right.
Can I see where we are?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second. Hold on.
These people already lapsed us.
Where are they?
Oh,
All right. All right.
I was gonna say we are
You
going.
guys got us beat.
wildly
Here, why don't you let them go? Let them go first, cause no, this could take us a bit. All right, here, let them go first,
Then we can see where
and then
we
we'll go
are.
check. I'm gonna throw you across this. I think it's a little bit easier.
Oh, I got my exercise goal achieved.
Yeah, there you go. All right, let them go. There you go. Good luck. You see? Hold on, buddy. Oh, that's cheating. You can't go that way. Hold on, buddy. All right, ready?
Maybe it's smarter.
It's probably smarter.
actually.
Yeah, it is definitely smarter. All right, ready?
I'm going right
Yeah.
there.
All right, listen. You're gonna go that way. All right, hold on. Daddy's got you. Hold on.
No,
Here we
I'm
go.
Fine.
You're fine. You're fine. All right, let go of me.
No,
Let go.
it's me.
You're not fine, are you? Here, mommy should be reaching out here to help.
Okay,
Ready?
balance, okay?
Here we go.
I
You gonna
have
balance?
River's hand.
All right, go. Take mommy's hand. Take mommy's hand.
Good job, bud.
Look at this. Bugs.
Can I see where we are?
Let's get a look at that stick bridge.